Misha, I'm over at my machinist friend Ed's house. This is his little car. This is 32 Ford. I don't know if he's here now or not. I brought mine. You can see it parked over there. Hey Ed! May not be home. I think he is because his car's out here. Yeah, Misha, a little different part of town. Chatted with Ed a while. Guy came out. Brake plate. Anyway, guy came up, had an old car, gave him a card, so that's one card down. These are a little nicer houses in here. Just a different part of Vallejo. We're going to go over now to see if I can buy a vise tool store. We actually came by this area the other day. This is that drugstore that I told you about. The place we're going up here is Harbor Freight Tools. Yeah, just a lot of cheap Chinese tools. Well, anyway, that's the store. I'll show you a little bit when we get inside. Lots of tools, cheap stuff, screwdrivers. Motors, lawn stuff, big toolboxes, small toolboxes. I need one of these. Couple $100. Grinders. This is the vise I was going to look at. This one's $80. There's one for $70. Big vise. $60 for these. I have one of these, better one. Welders, welding equipment. Drill presses. Lots of saws, and band saws. Quite a bit of stuff. Cut off saws, various things, a lot of regular wood saws, drills, most of them are pretty cheap. This one's $50, big old heavy duty 1/2 inch. Little saws, $30, little electric stuff. But anyway, quite a few tools. They're pretty cheap, 50, 60, 100 bucks. A lot of drill bits. Grinding stuff, saw blades. And just good store for everything's pretty cheap. These bags are like $7. Toolboxes $5, $6. $15 for a big one. $20 for steel ones. Actually, this is a pretty good one right here. $20. I need a toolbox. Just a top. I need something with drawers in it. Storage cases. Chairs. I don't know what that thing is. Some kind of a, oh, to put drywall up. Bending machines. Making bends and pipe. Presses. Heavy presses. I need something like that. But not right now. Oh, I don't know. I got 60 for this vise here, 70 for that one, plus tax, another 10 bucks. This is $80. This is a big heavy one, but I think this little one here would be good enough for what I need. Well, we're gonna go see my friend Jose down at the tire shop. Missing a lug nut. Maybe he'll give me a lug nut. Here's my little coffee place. Do a little video up here to Jose. He can say hi to you, my Mexican buddy. Anyway, here's the tire store. A little more stuff. See back here, that red car is the one that I took apart. I got another one, this black one I put a motor in. This is junk, I need to clean that out. Across the street, O'Reilly Auto Parts. Maybe I'll go over there and give them a card. Here we got some empty stores next door. But here's a little thrift store up here. This is for the Humane Society for Animals. But we're gonna go in here and see if there's anything, mostly furniture and stuff like that, but maybe we'll find something. Of course, a lot of books. I need to get my phone working and I can go through these and see if any of them are worth something. I used to have a lot of tools, but not anymore. Purses, junk, clothes, glasses. Anyway, I'll dig around here and see if I can find something. Good grinder. Looks like it's locked up. Carpenter tools. Hooks, fishing hooks. Fishing stuff. Bunch of dishes. Fishing reels. Some of these are expensive. There's me. A little thing over there. Joy of eating, a little restaurant, cafe. Haven't been there in a long time. They got good breakfast, so I'm gonna go have me some breakfast. Interesting little place. Small. Good food. Yeah. Omelets, waffles, pancakes, sandwiches, lunch, salads, normal American coffee. They give you cream and these little things, milk, and of course sugar. And usually always on the table you got hot sauce, salt, artificial sweetener, steak sauce, jelly. That's just jelly. All free, of course. Then we go to the restroom. Oh, that's that. Here it is. Gentlemen, ladies. Just normal toilet, sink. Beautiful me. And here we got ham, scrambled eggs, biscuit and gravy. Tasty. Well, that was refreshing. $10. And here's a movie rental place. We're gonna go over here to the auto parts. Here's an auto parts store. I used to buy a lot of parts here. Just go in and see if there's somebody that take the card. See what happens. Here's a electrical stuff, fuses, wiper blades, air filters, paint. It's all paint and body supplies. And a small store. Nuts and bolts, glue. Seat covers, floor mats, truck stuff, electrical, wheel covers, soap, waxes, washes. It's not really a serious parts store, mostly accessories. Yeah. Here's all the oil and filters and miscellaneous grease, chemicals. The typical store. That was interesting. Talked to my old buddy in there. Bought some thread locker. But anyway, he remembered me and was real happy. They don't have any machinists. Took the rest of my cards. He said he'd be very happy to pass along business and stuff. So, no more cards. There's 20 cents. There's Jose. Say hi to Jose. Привет, как дела? Oh, how's you? Well, that's all for today. Bought me a vise. Got rid of all my cards. Now we just go home.